Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Welcome guys, welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. Well, you know, it's that bright, nice, sunny day. You know, guys, what's going on, you know? I know you've been watching from the other day, but guess what? You guys forget to like before watching, or whenever you're watching, you forget to like, you know. We've been slacking, we've been lacking, you know. We're not putting the thumbs up like we used to anymore, you know, because I'm not reminding you guys that please put the thumbs up whenever you're watching Kina Life in Jamaica. Put the thumbs up, guys, put the thumbs up, put the thumbs up, you know. Please don't forget to put the thumbs up. It is very important, you know, to like the video so YouTube can recognize the good work that we are doing. So if you're not liking it, YouTube not gonna recognize it nor promote it because it not seems to have any interest at all. How that? I dream that. I dream that. I'm gonna fix it. You're not supposed to roar, you're supposed to smile. No, you must smile, don't roar, smile. You must smile. Hello, Eva. Come here, Miss Dream. Huh?
Here are this smile.
It's yours? Oh. Eh? Give me. Come now, thank you. Give me my glass. Give him my glass. Thank you. What? You want to put it on too? See there? Said everybody want to put it on. Put it. And Dream, tap it. My drop, Dream.
Put it on.
Eva, it now fit your wall go on. It now fit your Eva. I know. Born about. Well. Patrick! See Patrick at the right time. Yeah, blessed love guys, blessed love. So welcome. We're back here in Trenchtown. Another. Cool no? Guys, what's been happening? You know what? We've been lacking, we've been slacking, we're forgetting. Which one is it? We forgot to put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. You know, we're not been putting the thumbs up. You know, what's been happening? You forgot to put the thumbs up. We're not doing that anymore. Remember, we have to put the thumbs up, you know, so YouTube can see that we're doing something good whenever we put the thumbs up. Remember guys, please to put the thumbs up each time you're watching. Yeah, don't forget to put the thumbs up. So we're here in Trenchtown today, you know, and we got a barrel. So we're gonna go into the barrel and see what we can get done today, you know. So guys, remember, put the thumbs up, like before watching each and every time you're watching the program. I know you're forgetting, you know. I know you forget. Go on. I know you forget by putting the thumbs up and everything. So please put the thumbs up whenever you're watching and everything. Patrick! Everything good?
I'm after that.
Yeah, the good thing to see, you know, I have something for you as well.
Yeah?
Yes.
My card.
Good. Where are you coming from?
About Federal. Where I come from.
Oh, Federal.
Yeah.
You see I walk like you want to stumble.
I can't do that better.
You know walk with stick? Yeah, you stick? No.
I practice myself. I to without the stick, you know.
Okay, alright.
My walk.
Better?
Yeah.
Yeah, so keep you strong, see
Yeah.
me.
Keep me strong without the stick.
Alright, remember stand up right there so to come out of the sun. Just come out of the sun a bit.
Yeah.
You know, stay right there. It's a good thing I saw you. So just give me a minute, I'm go get this.
Yeah.
So it's good thing I saw him as well too, because I got a donation for him yesterday. And then imagine, yeah, I haven't seen him in a while. And then now, as soon as I got this donation for him, I see him appear. Like him always say, Kino, it's always at the right time I see you. You know, always at the right time. So alright, Patrick. Yeah, rest now.
I'm not to sit down, man.
You walk too long, you feel it?
Yes, I feel tired.
Okay.
Then I walk too long, I feel tired.
Okay. So what you been feeling otherwise though?
Remember I give God thanks and praise. You could choose a time I walk too long.
Yeah.
Me have short of breath and me tired, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm now do no well for walking like one time. Come put them.
Them pain you?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then me need it.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
me do no well for walking like one time, you know.
Yeah. Hey, you never do anything. Can you imagine, eh? It's been a while I haven't seen you, though.
Yes, it's true.
Yes, it's been a while. And imagine, as soon as I get the donation yesterday, I saw you today.
What about that? What you see?
I saw you today, as soon as I got this donation. So here I got $6,000 a year from you.
Okay.
And I guess it's from your namesake,
Patrick.
So from Patrick to Patrick.
Patrick, thank you very much. Yeah, right in it. Thank you.
So $6,000 a year from Patrick from the USA.
Patrick, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Patrick. I ask God to guide and protect you and make life easy for you and your children and family and relatives and make you successful in your work where you do or your business where you do.
Yeah.
God guide and protect you. And thank you very much for this. Come and need it.
Come in the right time,
Right time. It come when we need it. The hurricane tear down part of my fence. I'm have to buy some zinc nail and wire nail. And the man said $3,000 for fix up the fence. So I have to buy some fix in my fence. And thank you very much for this. God is good. God bless you. God bless you, my namesake. God bless you. My namesake.
Yeah.
God bless you. And God bless Kino and Dream Team. And bless Kino and Dream Team every time. All the time.
Alright then, so we'll give thanks.
Yeah.
And let's go and take it easy, see me, you know?
Yes, please.
As I say, your man always say when time the right time come.
You know, sir. Yesterday, it meant to say a car wash at 4th Street.
Yeah.
And my mom passed over a dread. I'm say to the dread, sir. I say key the car wash at 40, but I don't want to key now. Anyway, I know say if key now, when him see me, he will see me. Since I said to the dread,
yeah.
And the dread say yes, you know dread matter.
Yeah.
And him say yes, it's true. I'm gonna sit over there a little bit until me just go away. You know?
And then look now today.
See, give God thanks and
God
praise.
thanks.
God is good. God is good.
Alright then. So
Thank you, namesake, Patrick,
from
the
the
namesake,
USA.
from UK. Thank you, USA. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Eddie, are you okay? Yes. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you very much for this. Right in time.
Yes.
Coming no money.
Alright then.
And I can't fix my face.
Yeah man. Alright then, take it easy, take your time, get up. Alright then, so we give thanks to Patrick. You know, thank you so much Patrick you know, for this donation. It can help him go a long way, you know, so we give thanks every time. Blessed. Now, look here, $100 blow come right at my foot. Look at that. $100 blow right at my foot. Yes, I. So ready for it again?
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you very much.
Yes, I see that $100 blow right at my feet. You know?
Kina, at the second.
Well, I know, sir. I want to find him. Yo, wait for $100?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel $100. I see it. Just find it a while ago, but so it blew so far. Alright. Look at that.
Yeah.
You see it there? Yeah, I tell you, man. I find it and give Patrick.
Yeah.
I know me have to give it back.
All I ever wanted is just some marijuana, just to think wise.
Yeah.
All I ever wanted is some alcohol. What was that though?
Go on.
You want to buy YouTube?
It's a new one.
No, it's a...
What you say, just say? What you say, just say?
I've just seen Kino
Oh,
Dream Team.
I think that's somebody else about that.
Right now, I need $30 to buy a cigarette. Why? All I ever wanted is just a cigarette to look in her eyes. All I ever wanted is just some marijuana, just to think wise. All I ever wanted is just some alcohol to make a bag of nice. All I ever wanted is just the Almighty right by my side. All I ever wanted is a girl come sing. Hey, you wanna know? We no business about them business. Trying about the business about our business. Me no business about your business. Trying about the business about my business. My business is my business. Your business is your business. Me no business about your business. So no business about my business. Your business is your business. My business is my business. Me no bit. Alright.
I'll just eat your food and mind your business.
Alright. My food and my business.
Yes.
I could spend it. That's no matter how small.
That's small. Okay, go to the empty.
Yeah.
So water come in the room.
Find that it pull up. Yeah, feel like something now.
I just find yourself. Go up at the top there, so.
Yeah, we put this so.
Oh, water going this too? Hurricane. Barrel. At least it now. Okay, it not damaging. On top. Water come in the room. Who sweep out some with the broom? No. Alright. All I ever wanted. We're gonna do that in a second. One and only. The one and only. Colors in a support LP yet?
Yeah, support the color.
Eh?
No, but
you don't support.
I plan to make you come around the cottage probably next 2 weeks from now. Because I'm getting some bad Gucci curtain to put up around there. But what I'm saying, when you're coming around there, you have to be careful of bees.
Bees, yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Because that's why I'm kind of wear black for bees, not really.
I must say, I bridging last night. From now, you're in a barn, color. The man I say, my watch, one of the fall cup when it just start. And the man I tell a lady, say, yo, you want to see this man a place. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So what? Me have to dig up the extended
family.
What can't leave? All when I sleep, when I eat.
Extended.
Yeah, all you too. Just the food, not the chocolate. Yeah, not the chocolate. Yeah, we have to dig them up, you get me?
Yes, sir. So it heading to airport now?
Exactly, because remember it's summer now, you know.
Yeah.
So I have to be over there every night. And plus, remember, I have to look money to go and put on something in the basket.
Oh.
Me bank money yesterday too.
Yeah. I like that always.
You think I'm joking? Man, you think I'm joking? Look how much my bank yesterday right here.
No,
bro.
man, you have to show me, man.
Oh.
You don't have to show me. Don't show me.
Although I know everybody believe colors still, you know.
Yes.
But this is 11,000 make a bank over the
Yes,
credit
man.
union
We know,
yesterday.
man. We know, man. Kuna, man, don't show the world. Say you.
Oh, you know we have to have bank something. You get what I'm saying? We don't do like some niggas, you know.
Crime and scam, them and scam at the same time.
You know, when you're anyway there and you're raising money, you have to put something in the basket.
Yes.
And you know, you buy some nice things because you know people all over the world. With the tiger suit where your video me in here said, I see Ras come link me last night. The man could have tell me exact. So when we go store in the phone, him say yeah. I say I was coming over airport like in the week and Kino saw me, you know, and he, you know.
Just
tiger suit. You want to see the one for tomorrow, bro?
So, Colors, I don't understand or you don't support tall people business yet.
No, what I'm saying, no, he don't have no shot set.
Of course. No, but listen, look. Look at
Union color. You know, say nothing but
anything when me I wear must be he don't have the full suit, bro.
Oh, so you're on the full suit.
Yeah, if him sell the full suit,
Tall people have the full suit.
He don't sell the full suit.
I say name color. I give something a full suit.
Always not the full suit.
See that?
Wow.
This is like you.
Full suit this. Full suit
This one?
Oh, you mean full suit this way green here. Full suit that.
Calm down.
But I ain't got the money now. You get what I'm saying? So you could
That's
keep
why I'm
it.
caring about the bank
Remember, I'm half disabled, you know.
Yeah.
I have to bank something.
I have to bank something.
Lottie, did you give, what do you say about the success then? Oh, yeah, Kino was just,
You know,
taking a look at this outfit here. You want to see the one for tomorrow, Kino? Oh my God.
trouble.
Nah, go normal. Yeah. You don't know the thing, but Kino, by end of month, I want you to get around there, because long time you don't come around there, innit?
Yes. So end of month.
What I'm saying, I see some, hey, you want to see some Gucci curl, I'm sit down, Oh my gosh, when me put up them there, beer bees latte are coming like cottage on it. You get what I'm saying?
Yes. So the bees not gonna run out the chocolate?
No, the chocolate, them, no, between me and you, Kino, what kind of chocolate here are break? These chocolate around here, we give them a break. Because they want to tear me down too much. I'm bother with that. You know what I'm saying, Sprack? Yeah. Any chocolate me I look must be out of road.
Okay.
Yeah, some big one. Chocolate are Kino, they beg too much break. I take also my money and take it, get them. You crazy?
Yeah. Alright then, Colors.
Yeah, man. So I don't know at airport, you see me?
Yeah. It's bad, man. Take alright then, so Colors later.
If anything, you just listen. Feel me, I ring your phone in the morning.
Okay. Baby foot. Yeah, baby foot, your name.
Yeah, baby food.
Yeah, baby foot so get better, let's pray. See you out. Baby come right on time. Baby want to unpack this barrel here, you know. I want to call it.
You push me in there, so you not push yourself. Yeah. Who else there?
Everybody there. Whoa! Put that. Here, so now we're gonna run through this barrel here from Enorita. Yeah, and look like some clothes in them. That is cornmeal. Body cat, cool now. Buy two.
Yeah. And then time they know. Before all line
This was really a good idea. We have all this as well, you know. This spot here works. The fan blade. What that oats? What that oats? Quaker. We have iron. For that peas. Yeah. Should I put them big one up also, people? Yeah, put the big one up also. Yeah.
Yeah, they mash up them mackerel, you know, there. Make them kill you. And bench you feel look up it, you know. Bench you give me and buy them down after one more time. Book and them things and buy them out of my own pocket, you know. Yeah, we're about to move careful.
Tingnan mo, dahil mo ito. Firm, man. It's a big old post this. Firm. Run out of breath. Run out of breath.
Run out of breath and the bar not empty yet.
Oh. Run out of breath and the bar not empty. What that big rice there? Black beans.
Some have to come back.
Yes, they don't.
Close. Look at me in there.
Boy, like a mushy. Good.
And the fan.
That's a fact.
That's the fan.
Empty? Yeah?
Yeah. It's empty.
Yeah, watch your fun.
Alright then, blessed love. Alright guys, so as you can see, you know, the barrel is unpacked. You know, this is all the stuff here from Enrita, from Canada. You know, we have plates as well too for when time we're cooking for the elders also. So we have a big box of plate, and we have rice. You know, we have rice and everything. So we have rice flour, you know, and we have cornmeal. So we have lots to cook whenever we're cooking, you know, for the elders them. I also want to force some to share up for the members them. So we have flour, we have a lot of oils, we have peas as well too, candies for kids. And over here we have some peanut butters and the corned beef and chickpeas, you know, and mackerels, you know. I have to all give thanks to Enrita from Canada, you know. And over here we got some clothes as well too. Let me see. They're kid sizes or who sizes. So, oh, these are the frocks to go with that. So, okay, so we have some clothes here. Basically, small look like kiddies. So we'd have to run through these to see what these are like. Yeah, so these are small sizes. So these are small size for kids and female. Yeah. So these are for the minors. Jeez. So these are for the minors. You know, so here you go, man. I want to thank her so much for my Indian basmati rice. You know, thank you so much, Enrita. You know, thank you so much, and for my Gaia black beans. You know, so I think that no. Okay, so we have peas here, we have cornmeal, and we have these stuff here. So we have some oil. Alright then, so I want to thank Enrita once more again. You know, Enrita, I want to thank you again once more. You know, thank you for this barrel. Thank you for this wonderful blessings, you know. So we're definitely going to cook for the elders, because she wants us to cook for the elders as well too. So we have a lot of rice, do a lot of cooking same way, you know. And this is Enrita from Canada. So Prefect, big up Enrita.
Anita from Canada. We have to say give thanks and praise, you know, for the wonderful world that you see.
Yes.
Yeah, really appreciate of it. And thank you very much. May the good Lord guide, protect you, keep you safe, and one love. Bless yourself, Enrita.
Alright, Enrita. I see there, boom.
Yeah. Enrita from Canada, blessed and one love, you know. Thanks for the barrel, you see me there? Yeah. Blessed.
Alright.
LP. One tap. Just again, Genius.
Enrita.
Enrita. All for blessing, all for respect. To all the hard work you do, that we can have some food to eat. More people to spread the love. One team. Gene team.
Wow, we have run out of
Miss Enrita, you send on some stuff. You send on some stuff. Respect that. Enough. Big up Miss Enrita from Canada.
Whoa, boy, I tell you that energy the way I'm the beer that have a while ago. Boy, the energy that's strong. So me I say, Miss Enrita, all for blessing, man, enough love, you know. Long when I eat peanut butter, and Miss Enrita, long, so we can get butter my bread later. You see me I say, you see me I say, can I sip your tabo?
Toast it.
Yeah, man, so, and Miss Enrita, enough love, blessing, you know. Thank you very much for the things and for the elders and the Gene team. All for blessing. You see, enough love.
Who out here? Oh, Esther. Come in, Esther. Come in the room. Come in the room. Come in the room. Go on. Esther. You're fine. Esther, we thank Enrita for this wonderful barrel here. For all this stuff. You know, for also cook for the elders and for the members. Enrita from Canada.
So like Mexican.
Enrita.
Thanks, Enrica for the less fortunate.
Yes. So alright then, so we start out the stations. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take off some of them there. And take off some of them there. I'll make some space. Oh!
What you gonna do first?
We're gonna flour them.
Alright, we are gonna go on then.
And we have rice.
I'm gonna take one there first. Put glass up. Each one.
So everybody can get a peanut butter.
Yeah, man.
Kids' choice.
Dialogue again.
Kids' choice. Alright, pass them clothes and put them back in the barrel. Them kids' clothes. Them are kids' clothes. So we're gonna start them out. Okay. Yeah.
I'm super man.
Yeah, take time, watch that.
Sure thing. What you finding us? What you finding?
No insurance no there on it.
No.
So that's
Body
something.
chop.
Space. Hey, well, put it back out there, sir.
Clear though.
Pass the box, sir. Put it
Remember me.
box and fat. That's one time we have cook for the hell as well.
Put the fat.
Put it on the fridge top. Yeah, some 5 pound back.
We are. No.
It's always farine flour. It's all purpose. You want to do the rice first?
Do the rice.
Do the rice first, then put one bag. So that would be
Man, sit down, man.
Deary,
Yeah.
you say only want a peanut butter. Run out of breast and only need a peanut butter. Enrita.
Miss Enrita from Canada. Run out of breath, appreciate this peanut butter. Thank you, Miss Enrita. All extended family, love. Thank you.
I'm saying don't cook. So the only thing you want is the peanut butter to eat in bread and biscuit.
Bun.
And bun.
Hey. Thanks.
In the ring time, I'm sending some stuff, you know.
Yeah, so we have to park at the bar, I'm not even know what's the energy.
Yeah, the energy still there. Boom, come go on, tie the bag them. Boom. Tie them bag here. Yes, the boom tie them for you. One, two, three, 4, 5. Oh, look at the front.
Yeah, don't front time.
Oh, the flour.
The light box.
Light box.
Yeah,
Bird touchdown, you know.
yeah.
So you know what time it is. Yeah. So we have bag out some rice and flour for you can get. Oh, yeah, we there. One way this go? Around it up here.
Wait, no, I can't open it up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's a flag for this one.
Oh, yeah. That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, them black.
Yeah, you got anything that I need to open up.
Life box, you have one little bag.
Don't take one way.
So you can put them here.
Look, you can put it still, but we'll take
Yeah.
it near the
Yeah, forget
I
about it.
think I need 2 of them.
Actually, I easy to put it in.
So life box, we have to black out them all there. Yeah. And we go fill them all there. Yeah. Black them out. And black out them ceilings then. Oh, that's Shaggy Paul. Oh, boy.
I'm going for the star.
Star?
I'm going for the star.
It's the stars ever shine. You see her shine.
I'm going to the green and then
Yes.
and this fire.
You have to go in the gleaner.
So I'm going differently.
There, man, I go and do the right thing. You know it goes already. Start or something?
Next time.
Alright, then those are what they here.
put my one little pocket.
And elastic and plastic up. Elastic and plastic up.
Big shaggy ball pan it.
Well,
No one to shaggy.
Listen up, we got elastic and plastic up here.
Bigger thing for go on and make it.
Where you say make it a go on today?
Shoulder, we can't rush it. I like where the boss at. No one.
So she coming down the bottom, room, go down there. So who can't keep that chair washing out the car? Poor car. Who can't that?
Can't come, just me.
So what you get? Give me half one.
You see the one cook mackerel and rice? Oh. Joe, take up a carmine and a flour and a rice.
You find carmine. Bad enough.
The shop stock out.
The shop stuck on his shelf.
So the shop we are give away. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Take up a peanut butter.
Thank you very much. Take up one of them here.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Take up a mackerel.
Thank you very much.
Take up your aisle. Take up your aisle already, right?
Yeah.
Bully beef, that's 4 bully beef. So.
Yes. Alright. Thank you
Can I get the
very much.
rice?
Rice?
Can you get the rice? Thank Enrita
Thank you, Enrita.
from Canada.
From Canada. For all this stuff. Thank you very much. May your food basket never empty, baby.
Gonna cook for you and son.
One Enrita, 2 Enrita, 3 Enrita, 4 Enrita, 5 Enrita,
Peanut butter.
6 Enrita, 7 Enrita. Blessed and one love.
Yes.
Oh, baby, go on.
Come with your bag. Come with your bag. Do you mind the fun? Yeah. Cornmeal. Flour. Black peanut butter. Bag of rice. And your
I
aisle.
get a aisle and I get a mackerel.
Oh, give thanks.
Thank you very much, Enrita. May your food basket never empty.
Yeah.
Blessings. Enough love.
Alright. Welcome, Cho. Go. Oh, one carmine.
Beef boiled porridge. Flour fried dumpling. Yeah, man.
Rice,
Rice, cook rice and peas and wine and
chicken back.
ital rice enter already.
Black beans.
Black eyed peas. Put my ital pea. Why make that thing? Peanut butter, see flavor it, yeah? Flavor it.
Flavor it.
Yeah, my flavor it, you know. Butter my bread at night time, you know. No man, it's flavor it. This is my flavor it.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man. See me I say? Bread, bun. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, walk in.
So, mackerel or bully beef?
No.
Mackerel.
Mackerel. I know when I go to mackerel, I don't eat bully beef. So this is cook some mackerel later.
Aye.
So it's Senorita.
Enrita.
Enrita.
Yeah.
Holy for love, enough blessing. Who are them, you know? So, you know. Thank you very much, you know. Bless them, you know.
Yes. Light box, cornmeal. Shop stock out. Flour. Rice. Yeah. Rice. So, peanut butter. Bully beef or mackerel. Bully beef. Eat the black beans. The key. Aisle. Yeah. Alright.
Yes.
Enrita.
Enrita, give thanks and blessings them. Always.
Real style pay. One tall pay. Come true. So flour. Cornmeal. Dumpling that make already.
Yeah, one bull beef.
Bull beef. Yes.
One of this.
Black beans.
Yeah, one of this.
Peanut butter.
Yeah.
Rice over there. Yeah.
Just rice. Can't do that
Rice. Aisle.
I get my
Get the aisle already. Enrita.
All for respect and Miss Henry. All for food is, you know. Yeah, man. All for food is, man. Blessings and love, you know.
Yes, I.
Yes, I am.
Watch that talpy again. Talpy again. Talpy, are you alone? Are you alone in the fall? Are you alone in the trouble? Are you alone? You're going to feel back. I'm prefect. Esther gone and Mother Teresa, Natisha. Take up the key now, you leave the key.
No man, key the panic man. See that? Key the panic man. No one in our hand. Key on new genius. Listen there.
Enrita.
Put up on you.
Cheers. How about you do again?
I'm gonna have a hook night, you know.
Oh.
Pack that bag for Miss Gloria. So we're giving Miss Gloria a bag.
Okay.
I don't know, Miss Gloria, she help us out with the shop. She give us the shop, so we'll help her out back.
Okay. Mackerel in there.
Yeah, but take the bully beef already. Take up the aisle already.
Yeah, the island there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Come
Yeah, man. Go some, mama. Go some. Yeah, man. Thank you very much, you know. Yeah, man. Cause this is for the elders, you know.
Yeah.
Mama Gloria, you know. So, whole heap of love, you know. Whole heap of blessing. Senorita.
Enrita.
Enough love, you know. Here one already and see the next one, yeah.
Yeah, man. So this bag is for the lady that give us the shop.
Yeah.
You know, so giving her a bag.
My bag, come.
Brief okay, so hero. So you have Camille.
Camille.
Jesus, go that way there. Take up a Camille.
Yeah.
Flour.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you have rice there behind you. Right around there. Now the white bag there.
White bag?
Yeah. So you. Okay, so you have mackerel. What is?
Let me look on it.
A mackerel.
A mackerel, man, but it's Spanish too. Like a
Oh, a mackerel. I'm saying mackerel. So you have mackerel or yeah.
or mackerel or
You have bully beef. Bully beef. Take up the key.
without the key.
Peanut butter. Take up a peanut butter. Oil. Yeah. Oil. Yeah. Oh, so more peanut butter bully beef than this. You take them out.
But you do that, yes. Instead of the one spot.
Yeah.
To the key.
Alright, so food and cake and take up from black beans as well too.
Alright.
That is from Enrita.
Enrita.
Yes.
Give thanks, God bless, and stay safe.
Alright. Alright, so waiting on the rest of the members then to come along. You know, we're waiting on the rest of the members then to come along.
In case I couldn't join school.
Alright. Barney. Go over there, so Barney. Barney, take up a flour. Take up a Camille. Flour. Take up a peanut butter. You have a choice, you have mackerel or bully beef. Bully beef. See the key there. Rice. You pick up a rice. No. See? Yeah. Respect. So big up Enrita.
Big up for the things, you know. I don't know, food can't too much. I eat every day. Enough time for nothing. One love.
Yeah. Alright. You get one already? Prepare, take up your one. Where your bag there? Yeah, Indian one. If you look fine, it said kilo. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's get ready. Ready. Enrita.
Enough love, enough thanks, you know. Really appreciate it. Bubble that pot, you know, right away.
Right away. Yeah. Right away.
Right away.
On behalf of Rasta Jackson.
On behalf of Rasta Jackson, one love and blessing. Thanks.
So that bag is for Rasta Jackson. And we have Mother Teresa for come. Natisha. You not get Natisha now. No. Oh, it made it slower.
I'm not thinking meat rice now.
So when I shall eat?
Vegetable and so.
So natural, some natural about never boil flour yet. I swear, I see them now.
You need the flour, but it's a long time later. You eat the rice.
Yeah, brown rice. Yeah.
No regular rice.
The black beans. Yeah, put the flour in there. You never know when I rainy day, the man might feel like Neil to dumpling. The flour in there. And calm in. The black beans. The black beans as well. So, instead of vegetables are chickpeas. So, I'm going to go chickpeas then. We make bully beef.
I'm to the mackerel.
Mackerel. You put the black beans in there already?
Yeah.
On the aisle. Alright then.
I'm collecting this from natural. When you get Enrita?
No, Enrita.
Enrita?
Yeah.
I'm collecting this from natural. Thanks again.
Alright. See you there. So we have to go. Flour.
Peanut butter?
Yeah, this part the butter. We're talking about the local, you know? Yes, sir. No, put them in for one side, then come in the back and move.
Yes, you're going to the
Yeah, I'll bag it off you.
Thanks.
May I shop, yeah?
Yeah. Enrita.
Enrita. This is my pocket.
Yeah.
Thanks again. I really appreciate it.
Jesus, stand up for back.
Cyclops. Come. Here. Open your bag. Open your bag. Rice. Flour. Flour?
No,
You need flour?
yeah, by the way,
Okay. Alright. 8 mackerel?
yeah.
Mackerel. What about peanut butter?
Yeah,
Peanut butter. Yeah. You get some oil. Yeah. The black peas?
black peas, yeah.
See it here.
Yeah.
I want to know it.
Bully beef? So you have to take one of them. Is it the mackerel or the, which one you want? The mackerel or the bully beef? Alright then. So you can, yeah, so look here, so thank Enrita, look. So thank you Enrita.
Yeah. Where is it? Say that.
Yeah.
Enrita. No?
Yeah.
Kind to me say Enrita. Love and thanks. Blessings and guidance to proceed with the new year.
Yeah.
I said, you're supposed to hear that.
Yeah man, loud and clear.
Respect, yes, sir.
Alright.
Alright.
Come Natish. Resort baby. Come in sir. Pick up your flour. Flour. Rice. Oil. Black beans. So you have bully beef or cornmeal. Either bully beef or mackerel.
Bully beef. You said that you
Yeah. Bully beef. Yeah. Yeah, oh, peanut butter. So I eat that, right? So you can thank Enrita.
Enrita, big up yourself and respect. My food basket never enjoy.
Alright, good thanks.
Big up all that extended family.
Yeah. Alright guys, so yes, Enrita, so you know all the members them, you know. Yes, Enrita, so you know all the members them has received something, you know. I will thank you so much. Wipe off my screen. Yes, so all the members them has received something. I will give thanks. I will thank you so much, you know. So now we're just packing up shop, locking up shop, You know, I say we really appreciate this place so much. I would thank Miss Gloria, you know, and also Paglin, you know, for leaving this wonderful space for us, for we can utilize it in a way that, you know, it's necessary. So we thank you so much, guys. Remember to like the video while you're watching. You know, don't forget to like while you're watching it. And thank you so much for watching Clean Life in Jamaica. I know we give thanks for this wonderful blessing from Enrica from Canada. You know, we thank you so much and God bless you. Yeah. And we will be definitely cooking for the elders next. You know, the next cooking will be going on is from Enrica. You know, so we have rice and we have peas, we have everything there to cook as well. That came from Enrica from Canada. You know, and the members them appreciate all that they got. You know, okay, you know, everyone can go and cook a pot. More than one pot, you know, to what they get. You know, we thank you so much for your blessings. So God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching Clean Life in Jamaica. Blessed love.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.